Dr. Mark Lowe is a Gambian researcher working with many countries in West Africa. He works mainly with rural communities, taking a closer look at society. As a researcher, he tries to study various cultural practices, establish evidence, and map out ways of replacing some degraded cultural traditions with best practices. Currently, he works with 24 communities in Lower Badibu, trying to establish a social linkage between teenage girls and caregivers, with specific focus on the genesis of early marriage in rural Gambia. The project is funded and supported by a Canadian-based organization called the International Development Research Center. Few months ago, Dr. Matt and his team toured the 24 communities to collect baseline data to understand the underlying factors that trigger the practice of early marriage in rural communities.
Lower Badibu district is one of the areas in the Gambia with the highest prevalence of early marriage. It is on the basis of this ground that this project is being implemented in rural communities in Lower Badibu district in the North Bank region of the Gambia.
From the study findings, the project is to design a series of intervention packages to support the girl child and ensure the final eradication of early marriage in Gambian societies.
Community dialogue, community engagement forum, and trying to train parents on how to initiate discussion on pregnancy and early marriage with their kids. That is also another intervention area that we're going to work on. And we're also going to support kids that are going to school but still are faced with financial constraints.
He is using lots of measures to achieve his goals. This dissemination meeting in Njawara, one of the intervention communities, is meant to share research findings, and the information derived from the interface will also be used to design the project intervention packages.
What we did was we collected data, the data was analyzed, and now we're going to design the package of interventions based on the data that was collected in the 24 rural communities in Lower Badibu district.
Drama is also another vital approach they are using to portray the dangers of early marriage. Villagers, men and women, boys and girls, gathered at the village square to enjoy the play. Some watch the performance with amusement, whilst others learn lessons from a dangerous practice that still live and survive within them. For the past 2 decades, the practice of early marriage in the Gambia declined from 58 to 30%, a significant drop in 20 years. Researchers like Dr. Mark Lowe still seems to be unsatisfied with this drop in figures.
30% is still high, and we are trying to see how best we can, bring up a package of interventions that could, in a way, help to reduce the prevalence of the existence of the practice.
Reacting to the importance of this project, villagers told GRTS that they will do their part to ensure the successful implementation of the project in their community.
Early marriage has really decreased very much because there are a lot of sensitization that is going on, and then really people are getting away.
If Dr. Mark Lowe and his team succeeds in the implementation of this project in years to come, 24 communities in Lower Badibu will be saved from the dangers of early marriage. Reporting for the news, I am Famara Kani.